David Smith here with yet one more flipped classroom math video. Today's topic, the distributive law, sometimes called the distributive property. When I have something inside parentheses with a term outside, this is multiplication. We could write a cross there or a dot, but we don't. We just write it right next to parens. This is A times B and also A times C. Okay, so how does that look? We would get AB plus AC. So that's how the law is written with just letters. Let's do some math problems that show that. How about 2 times x plus 3? So we do this little rainbow across the top. We do 2 times x and then 2 times 3. So that's going to get us 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6. Because 2 times x is just 2x. We don't know what x is, so we can't really get it down to just a number. But 2 times 3, we know what that is all day long. That's 6. Let me give you one to try. Try that. 3 times 4x plus 1. Pause the video. Okay, let's see how you did. Again, we're going to do our rainbow. We're going to do 3 times 4x, 12x. 3 times 1 is just 3. Okay, let's give you another one to try. How about minus 2x times x minus 3? So I've messed around with the signs here. Just keep track. Remember, negative times negative is a positive. Negative times positive or positive times negative. Those are both negative. Okay, so give it a shot. Okay, let's see how you did. Negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. And negative 2x times negative 3 becomes plus 6x. Okay? Now these problems are going to get a little bit more complicated as you work through the assignment. So check this out. Now I have 2 chunks, 2 expressions there that both require use of the distributive property. Then at the end of that, we're going to have to combine some like terms to get simplified. So let's get this one done. 4 times 2x gives me 8x. 4 times positive 2 gives me 8. 2 times 3 gives me a plus 6. And 2 times negative 6x gives me a negative 12x. So I'm not done yet because I have some like terms. I have a positive 8x and a minus 12x, and I have an 8 and a 6. So let's do our x terms first. Plus 8 and minus 12 leaves me with minus 4x, and then 8 and 6 are 14. So that's the solution for that one. Okay, I'd like you to try this one. We have 2 times 3x minus 1 plus 3 times 5 minus x. Go ahead and pause the video, see what you can do. Okay, let's see how that went. I'm going to do my distributive property here, and then I'm going to do it there. 2 times 3x gives me 6x. 2 times negative 1 gives me negative 2. Plus 3 times 5 gives me a plus 15. And plus 3 times negative x gives me a negative 3x. Now I need to combine my like terms. I have a positive 6x and a minus 3x. That gives me 3x. And I have a minus 2 and a plus 15. That gives me a plus 13. You'll always want to remember to keep your x terms first and put your numbers second. If I had an x squared in here, the x squared would come in front of just the plain old x. Okay, I'd like you to try one more. This is a times a plus 2 plus 5 times a minus 3. Go ahead and pause the video, give it a shot. Okay, let's see how you did. A times a, we know, is a squared. A times 2 is 2a. Plus 5 times a is 5a. And plus 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. Now I have some like terms here. Do I have another squared term? Nope, that just comes down. I have a 2a and a 5a, so that gives me 7a. And then a minus 15 comes right on down. I hope this was helpful and that it helps you do the homework. If you liked the video, go ahead and click like down below or subscribe.